You might have heard that Apple released a new sound pack for GarageBand on iOS today, but this isn't any ordinary update. It's actually mind-blowing just how much new stuff they've packed into this content drop. In this new update, you will find brand new live loop remix sessions featuring full tracks from pop stars Dua Lipa and Lady Gaga. In-depth videos with both Dua Lipa and Lady Gaga, where they give some background info on their tracks as well as in-depth remix instructions. 7 new sound packs and introductory videos created by some of today's biggest hitmakers. Aye, okay. But don't worry, if you haven't heard of any of them, you'll definitely have heard of some of the artists they've worked with, and the sounds that they've provided are ace. And finally, a bonus sound pack by Mark Ronson that ties into his Apple Plus documentary series that lets you get hands-on with GarageBand versions of the music technology featured in every episode. It's a lot. Let's dive in. It's become very apparent while scripting and putting this video together that there is so much stuff in this update that I can't possibly cover it in one video. So we'll treat this as kind of an overview of what's in this update, and in future videos I can take a closer look at things like individual sound packs. The headline feature of this new update are the remix sessions featuring Dua Lipa's Break My Heart and Lady Gaga's Free Woman. Apple have done similar things in the past with their artist lessons in GarageBand for Mac, and the addition of Billie Eilish's track Ocean Eyes as a demo project in Logic Pro. In fact, I'm going to make a prediction here that that very track will at some point make its way to GarageBand for iOS in the form of a remix session at some point. Just kinda makes sense. You can only access these remix sessions via the sound library. Just tap on whichever one you want to check out and you can hit show to launch the session. You'll also notice that Apple have added video footage to the pack's description, and if you hit the play button, you'll open that video where, in this instance, Lady Gaga chats a bit about the track and her workflow, and Jamira here shows you how you can remix the track. These sessions are essentially live loop grids that have had the stems from the 2 songs added to them in the form of loops. One thing to note is that Apple makes it very clear that these 2 tracks and their component loops are for personal and non-commercial purposes only. Unlike all the other loops and sounds found in GarageBand, the content in these remix sessions is not royalty free. So unless you want Lady Gaga and her ridiculous shoes kicking your door down and demanding royalties from you, maybe refrain from using any of these sounds in projects you plan to release. For me, the new sound packs are the best part of this update. Now, these aren't little half-assed packs where the producer has added a couple of new patches and loops and called it a day. Oh no. Across these 8 packs, you'll get access to over 2,000 Apple loops, 31 drum kits, 91 keyboard patches, and 8 live loop grids. Look, we're used to getting one of these sound packs released every few months, if that. And Apple have just dropped 8 all in a oneer. Absolute madness. And the sounds included in these packs are fantastic. There really is something here for everyone. Well, almost everyone. There aren't any metal or hard rock sounds here, but some of the sounds might actually be useful for those of us who haven't got a clue what slap house, new disco, or future bass are. I still don't know. The guitar loops in Mark Lettieri's pack are fantastic. Mark Ronson's pack is a treasure trove of cool, sampled oddities. Trap Girl's lo-fi patches and loops are divine. And Watch the Sound's Mellotron Flutes keyboard is worth the price of admission alone. As I mentioned, I'll be taking a closer look at these packs individually in future videos. So let me know which pack you want me to look at first down in the comments. Right, I'm off to remix me some Gaga. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.